Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install Vanguard on Valorant. So, as see from here, Vanguard is already installing on my PC or laptop. From here, if you want to do the same with Vanguard to install it, the first thing that you need to make sure that you have actually installed the Riot client. You can't actually play Valorant or League of Legends without installing the Vanguard for the Riot client. So it will actually automatically install when you start any of these games. So if you don't have it installed, even with the Riot client on the games installed, you need to make sure to uninstall Riot client from your laptop settings. So you can just go to the settings from here. So from the settings you need to go to apps from here and you need to go to installed apps. After that you can just search for Riot client, and as see from here you will find the Riot Vanguard and the Riot client. You can just uninstall both, or you can also uninstall Valorant. After that you need to make sure that you install the game again with the Riot client, and Vanguard will automatically install like this. You can just wait for it until it finishes the installation, and after that you can just play Valorant on your laptop without any problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.